Ito favorite orderin ng daddy ko whenever we go to Chinese restaurants or even mga pansiteria sa Marikina. So ayun, naging favorite ko na rin ang ampalaya kong karne. Who knew na kayang-kaya itong gawin sa bahay? I have a very easy recipe for everyone, and the best part is, this is freezer friendly. So if you're craving ampalaya kong karne, all you have to do is to put it in the microwave and you have a veggie dish in less than 3 minutes. Para mawala yung konting bitterness, binabad ko lang siya sa water with some salt. Twice ko pala ito ginawa para mabawasan yung bitterness. Pero if you like it a little bitter, pwede namang once for lang. The meat, I'm using pork kasi ito lang yung available. The technique we're doing is velveting. Napanood ko lang din naman to somewhere. I'm just using oil, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and some cornstarch. Tapos hahalu-haluin mo lang siya with the meat. And this is basically the marinade. Usually beef talaga pag sa mga restaurants, pero I only have thinly sliced pork kasi. And to me, this tastes just as good. Make sure to brown the meat properly para masarap yung texture and flavor. You can then add yung onions and garlic, tapos gisa nyo lang siya saglit, and add your fermented black beans. I don't like adding a lot kasi hindi ko naman favorite to. And this time, you could already add your ampalaya. Add some water and cover para lang maging tender yung ampalaya. The thing is, wala kasi akong cover for my pan, so it took longer for me to cook this. Adjust seasoning to taste. I just added soy sauce, oyster sauce, pepper. Dapat maglalagay ako ng mushroom powder, pero nagbuo-buo na pala yung powder ko. So I just used some magic syrup. Not sponsored, wag na natin pakita yung brand. Simmer for a few minutes, and for me, ginarnish ko lang siya with everything but the bagel seasoning. And there you go, freezer-friendly ampalaya kong karne. It's best paired with rice. The bitterness is barely there. Just make sure na ibabad niyo siya sa salt and water. And kung gusto niyo naman na mas bitter siya, just take it out immediately. And as usual, this is a freezer-friendly recipe. Tried and tested ko na to, so I'm sure this is just as good as it was nung bagong luto siya.